Episode 5, Stop Parsing Random AI Text. We're going to turn model responses into typed, validated Java objects using Spring AI's structured output. We're still at the chat client layer. Today it hands back a typed object, not a string. Your code on top, the Spring AI seam in the middle, the model underneath. Rejecting prose is how you build something that breaks the next time the model phrases things slightly differently. There's a better way. This part is plain Java, a record. Nothing AI specific about it. It's just the shape you want back. Spring AI is the seam. .entity looks at your record and builds a JSON schema from it automatically. You don't handwrite the schema. Your record's shape becomes an instruction that rides along with the prompt. The model now knows the exact shape you expect back. The response comes back as text, and .entity parses it straight into your record. You never touch raw JSON in your service code. Java erases generics at runtime, so for a list you hand Spring AI a parameterized type reference instead of a bare dot class. Same seam, same converter, one extra type token. New in Spring O, ask it to validate the schema, and a bad shape retries automatically with feedback. Without it, a malformed response throws straight into your service. A raw string you can't safely trust downstream. A validated actor films record you can. That's the difference. Structured output buys an enterprise team. Predictable, testable, audit-friendly output. Next up, Episode 6, RAG, Turn Enterprise Docs into AI Memory. Subscribe and check thestackundrflow.com/springai for update notes.